Hi students, welcome to Math4U. In this session, we will be discussing how to find out rational numbers between two given rational numbers. Okay, so unlike natural numbers and integers, there are infinite number of rational numbers between two given rational numbers. So let us see by checking this question how to find out the rational numbers between two given rational numbers. Okay. So the first question is to find out two rational numbers between negative 1 by 10 and 3 by 10. So there are two methods I'm going to show you here. So the first method, let us see how to do it. Okay, method 1. So I'm going to rewrite the question negative 1 by 10 and 3 by 10. So you can see here the denominators are same, right? So you can write the rational numbers between these two. Okay, how can we? So negative 1, then we can write 0 by 10, 1 by 10, 2 by 10. Okay, so these three are rational numbers between these two given rational numbers negative 1 by 10 and 3 by 10. The question is asked for two, you can take any two of these three. So in this method, let me show you how to find out more number of rational numbers between these two given negative 1 by 10 and 3 by 10. Okay, so I'm rewriting the question negative 1 by 10 and we have 3 by 10. I'm going to make the denominator same. Now it is same, but it is 10 only, more bigger number, so that we will get more rational numbers between these two. Okay, so I'm going to multiply the denominator with 100 here. So you know the rule, if you are multiplying the any number with the denominator, you have to multiply with the numerator also, then only it will be correct. So this number will be negative 100 by 1000, right? And I'm going to make this denominator also same, second rational number 3 by 10. So multiplying with the same 100, okay, the numerator also. So the numerator will be 300 and the denominator will be 1000, right? So now we are going to find out the rational number between these two, that is negative 100 by 1000 and 300 by 1000. You can write by yourself a lot of rational numbers, right? So between this negative 100 by 1000 and 300 by 1000, we can write a lot of rational numbers. So I'm going to write here. You can see negative 99 by 1000 will be there, negative 98 by 1000, etc. You can write as 299 by 1000, then 300. There will be more rational numbers between this. That's why I put this dotted lines in between. So I hope it is clear. This is the method 1. So now we are moving towards method 2, how to find out the rational numbers between those two given rational numbers. So let me write method 2. Okay, method 2. So the given rational numbers are negative 1 by 10 and 3 by 10. So in this method, we are going to find out the mean of these two given rational numbers so that we will get a rational number between these two. Okay, so let us see that. So negative 1 by 10 plus 3 by 10. How to find out the mean? Add the two rational numbers and divide by 2. Okay, so what is the LCM here? Because both the numbers having 10, so 10 will be the LCM. Then the numerator will be negative 1 plus 3 itself, all divided by, we have 1, 2 over here, right? So now we are going to solve this. You know how to solve this, right? So negative 1 plus 3 is 2, 2 by 10. This 2 means that is 2 by 1, right? So how to divide this? Take the reciprocal and multiply with it. So we will get here 1 by 2. Now we are going to cancel. So you will get the rational number as 1 by 10, right? So now we got a rational number between negative 1 by 10 and 3 by 10, which is that is 1 by 10, correct? So now we got 1 and we need more. So what we should do? We can take either these two and find out the mean, or we can take either these two and find out the mean. Now I'm going to take these two and check out what will be the mean of this so that we will get the ration number between these two, right? So let me take the ration numbers negative 1 by 10 and 1 by 10. So I'm adding these two and finding out the mean over here. So you can see here the LCM is same 10, but the numerator you can see negative 1 plus 1. So you can decide now itself what will be the answer, that is 0, since the numerator is 0. So that we can write it as 0 by 1 as the next rational number, right? So let us see here, negative 1 by 10 we had, and now what we got is 0, that I am writing it as 0 by 1, and the rest is I'm writing 1 by 10 and 3 by 10 that we had already. Okay, so next one more I am showing you how to find out, that is I'm going to take between 1 by 10 and 3 by 10. So finding the mean of these two numbers, 1 by 10 plus 3 by 10 whole divided by what? 2, right? Then the LCM is 10, the numerator we know that is 4, and we have 2 here. This 2 means 2 by 1, so what you have to do? You can take 4 by 10 multiplied with 1 by 2, and you can cancel over here. 2 and 10 will go with 5. So what will be the rational number over here? 1 by 5, right? So the rational number what we got over here is 1 by 5, right? Previously we got 0 by 1 also. So which all are the rational numbers now we got between those two given rational numbers? Yes, I'm going to write. We had negative 1 by 10 first. Then we found out which one? Yes, we found out 1 by 10, and between this 1 by 10 and negative 1 by 10 we have found out 0 by 1, that is 0. I'm writing in order 0, then 1 by 10 we had. Now we just found out 1 by 5, and we had given with 3 by 10. So between these two given rational numbers we found out now 3 rational numbers over here. So I hope it is clear how to find out the rational numbers. You can find out again more rational numbers by taking either of the two given rational numbers in this session. Okay. Now let us see one more question. That means let me show you one more example how to find out. Okay. So here in the second question you can see I have taken negative 3 by 4 and 5 by 6 as the two rational numbers, and I'm going to find out different rational numbers between these two. So let us see how to find out. First of all, what we have to do, as I told in the previous question, you have to make the denominator same for these two rational numbers. This is the method 1. Okay, method 1. So let us see. Here 4 is there, here 6 is there. So what can we make? We can make it as 12, right? Yes. So I'm multiplying the first number with 3. Whatever we are doing with the denominator, we have to multiply with the numerator as well. So this number will be negative 12, negative 9, sorry, negative 9 by 12. And this one we have to make the denominator same as here 12. So what we should do? Yes, we should multiply the denominator with 2. So whatever doing with the denominator, I'm doing with the numerator as well. So you will get here 10 by 12. Okay, so you can see here 9 by 12 and 10 by 12. So now we are going to take it, these two rational numbers, I'm writing it here. Okay, so you can see here negative 9 by 12, and this is 10 by 12. You can write more number of rational numbers between these two with many this type of repetition. So you can see here how many rational numbers we can write. Can you tell me? Yes, we can write negative 8 by 12, then negative 7 by 12, etc. You can write in between 0, then 8 by 12 you can write, 9 by 12. So you can see here these rational numbers are between these two. The question is asked for 2 only. I am just showing it how to do more. Okay. So now we are going towards the second method. So method 2, we can see here how to find out rational numbers between two given rational numbers. So which are the two given? I'm rewriting the question, negative 3 by 4 and we have 5 by 6. So between these two, we are going to find out. So how? As we have seen in the previous question, you have to find out the mean of these two to get a rational number between these, right? So first rational number we are going to find out by finding out the mean. So negative 3 by 4 plus 5 by 6 whole divided by 2. This is how you can find out the mean, right? So how to do this? You can see here 4 and 6 are the denominators of the rational numbers. What is the LCM? LCM is 12. Yes. So you will get the numerator as negative 9 plus 10. And this 2 means 2 by 1 we have discussed. And how to find out? This multiply with 1 by 2, the reciprocal, right? When you solve this, what you will get as the answer? 1 by 12 into 2. The answer is 1 by 24. So now you got one rational number between those two. Okay. And now we got the rational number, negative 3 by 4 we have already, which is the one we got just now, 1 by 24, right? And we have one more rational number, that is 5 by 6 given. So this is the one we have found out now. So let us see one more rational numbers between these two. I'm going to check with 1 by 24 and 5 by 6. Okay. So as we have discussed, we have to find out the mean, right? So 5 by 6 by 2. 2 means already it was 2 by 1. You have to understand that. So LCM between 24 and 6, that is 24 itself, right? 24. Now the numerator will be 1 plus 20. And this you will write it as 1 by 2. 2 by 1 will become 1 by 2 because here division is transforming to multiplication, right? Yes. So that is equal to 21 by 24 multiplied with 2. So what will be the answer over here? 21 by 48. So let us see how to write in order the rational numbers between negative 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. We got two rational numbers. Yes, those rational numbers are 1 by 24 and 21 by 48. Now, I will tell you how can you understand whether these are in between these two given rational numbers. You can solve it. What is negative 3 by 4? You can do the actual division and see it is negative 0.75, right? And you can check whether 1 by 24 also, and all these rational numbers. So negative 7 by 5 is negative 3 by 4. And what about 5 by 6? That will be 0.8. So now you have to check whether the rational numbers you got, that is 1 by 24 and 21 by 28, is this between negative 0.75 and negative 8. That is another way you can check it. Okay. And when you divide 1 by 24, you will get the answer at 0.04. And here you will get 0.43. Now you can see whether 0.04 and 0.43 is between these two points, negative 0.75 and 0.8. Yes, this is another way to conclude what we have done is correct. Okay, I hope this session is very much clear for you. This is the way how to do the finding the rational numbers between two given rational numbers. Clear? Yes. Thank you.